Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And today, as you can see, I set up a new system. I updated our Snap Circuits menu again. And we have a couple new additions, such as our wheel lock ones, a post station, and one of the newest technology, receiver system. So let me first explain how the circuit works. So basically we have our Snap Circuits as our main control panel, and then all of these have to connect down to this carbon monoxide detector by Kitty. And then all of this connects to a wheel lock system that is a fire door, and this actually is almost like Wi-Fi. It can send signals to this one to close this fire door, which is why I said to not paint this or it might not receive it, so that it can close this fire door quickly and respectively in an actual fire. So we do have a post station, and we also have our sprinkler system, which I do not have today, mounted today, and we also have our main control system. So up there we also have our smoke alarm, which we aren't going to be testing today, but that is also connected with the wireless one, this one. So let's first go ahead and test out our carbon monoxide detector. Let me just take it off. So it is in the Kitty carbon monoxide alarm, and on the back you can see it's a plug-in. As an alarm condition, and it also has a battery backup. So if there are 4 quick beeps, and 5 seconds off, and then 4 other quick beeps, it keeps doing that if there's if carbon monoxide is present. So when it's green, that means it's plugged in and it's ready to go. So there's a test/reset button here. Let's go ahead and hit it. Alright, and so that is the Kitty carbon monoxide alarm. So first off, you heard the beep, which is like the start of the test. Then it went 4 quick beeps, 5 seconds rest, and then another 4 quick beeps. That is a carbon monoxide test. And then the last beep is the confirming of the end of the test. So there you have it. Well, not yet. There is a speaker, and there's the sensor inside. So it should be vacuumed regularly. And then that leads up to our new Snap Circuits, which I'm pretty excited about. So basically, I have integrated a few new things, such as an NPN transistor, it's kind of hard to see with the fan on, and a fan, plus and a capacitor, which I will show you how it works right now. So when I pull it, then it will make that alarm sound. And I'm going to discharge the capacitor right now by putting it here. So this will discharge all the energy inside this, because this can store energy. Capacitors can store energy. And that will cause the light to blink a bit, and then fade away, and then the LED. Let's go ahead and test that. Alright, so there was the silent switch, and you can see that the fan was weighted and put on hold, as well as the LED, while this capacitor charged up, the light went on, and then there was no more energy in here, so it charged up, it stopped, and then finally these two came on. But since this capacitor is fully charged, the light would not come back on until we discharge it, so I'll show you that right now. So in order to discharge it, all you have to do is you first turn off the circuit, or you can do it when the circuit's on it. Yes, and you take the capacitor, okay, and then you put it on this 4-snap wire right here. Okay, you hold it there, and that gets rid of all the energy. Place it back onto its spot, and then when you turn on the circuit, then it will go back on. circuit, and all you have to do is to pull down this little post switch to make it activate. We have our fire door post signal, which is connected right here. I'm not sure if we should test this one because it is pretty heavy. So we do have to activate that smoke alarm in order for that to go off. But let's go ahead and test it right there. So this is the fire door activation system. Okay, so there you have it. That is our fire door. We can reset it right here. Okay, so basically what this does is that it's kind of like a fire activation system. So let's go ahead and test it again. I haven't linked the alarm up yet, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Well, let's go ahead and test it. And there you have it. It's kind of heavy, so I don't think you should actually try this a lot. And it's pretty hard to open too. So, and it snaps right back. So you reset the system. It also takes a bit. Alright, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time.